regarding black box wiring, every molecule we use has some kind of black box wording. Like mostly it goes to valproate, which is more commonly used in our day. What about efficacy? Mania has got level 3 evidence in case of lamotrigine, and we have level 1 evidence for depression, acute episode, and prophylaxis. And this is the study of Calabrese, which was first quoted this efficacy of lamotrigine in bipolar disorder. They showed that in any sort of episode, lamotrigine go side by side with lithium. But lithium has the edge over lamotrigine in case of manic episode, and in case of depressive episode, lamotrigine has got some kind of benefit, added benefit. And this is the meta-analysis which is quoted often, and this showed the efficacy of quetiapine, lamotrigine, and olanzapine fluoxetine combination. And I was surprised to see lithium in the back bench. Why this is so?
This is as an antidepressant effect, not mood stabilizer. This slide shows as an I showed this slide.
ভালো করে দেখো, লিথিয়াম কিন্তু আলাদা করে নেই। লিথিয়াম প্যারাক্সেটিন কম্বিনেশন, lithium imipramine combination. Lithium alone is not there.
This is because of antidepressant effect they want to elicit. Not lithium has got no antidepressant effect itself. It has got mood stabilizer, and lamotrigine has got some antidepressant effect. That's why I think.
If we recall the D study, most effective adjunct was levothyroxine, and then it was lithium in resistant cases of depression.
Yes. Augmentation therapy. That does not mean that has got antidepressant effect. Thyroxine, you believe that thyroxine has some antidepressant effect. Augmentation is something different.
This paroxetine and imipramine, they are acting as antidepressant, and lithium may augment their action. Maybe that these sort of antidepressant are not effective.
That is a confusion. Paroxetine is there, na?
Lithium এর সাথে fluoxetine combination করলে হয়তো আর বেটার কিছু হতো।
হ্যাঁ, that is true.
The same story repeated. Lamotrigine, lithium, more of similar efficacy in any episode we consider, and if it is bipolar, the lamotrigine has got some added benefit, but they have used an average dose of 245, which is too high for our patient.
200 milligram.
200 milligrams is the target dose. 245 average মানে আরো বেশি। This lamotrigine has also got similar efficacy with olanzapine fluoxetine combination, apart from the side effect of olanzapine fluoxetine combination, and it is not shown to induce mania or hypomania in our bipolar patient. And often we need to combine this lamotrigine with other mood stabilizer or other drug. Valproate is this is a very notorious combination. Even in epilepsy, it is very commonly used. Commonly used valproate and lamotrigine in combination.
But chances of skin rash is much more.
Right?
এটা বল theoretically.
না ভালো আর ইনহিবিশন তোর তো ম্যানেজ করতেই পারবি না। তোর তো ভ্যালপ্রোয়েটের সঙ্গে যদি ওলানজাপিন দিস লামোট্রিজিন, তো টাইট্রেশনের টাইমিং উইল বি ডাবলড and dose have to be halved. কারণ ইনহিবিটর তো মানে রিফ্র্যাক্টরি এপিলেপসি বা কিছু সেটা কারণে হয়ে থাকতে আর আমি আই উইল নট কমেন্ট
at least মানে একদম
বাট আমাদের ডিসঅর্ডারে দিস কম্বিনেশন ইজ ভেরি রিস্কি আর
Very risky. Lithium and
মানে
lamotrigine.
স্কিনের লোককে ফোন করেই করা ভালো আর কি যখন তখন টেন ভর্তি হবে তোমার আন্ডারে।
So one thing is clear that it is very safe with lithium, bupropion, olanzapine, even oxcarbazepine, and even with topiramate. Topiramate is not commonly used by depression. if added on, it has got positive result with risperidone. Why they are talking about inositol, I don't know. And it is even more efficacious when combined with lithium. And in conclusion, the serious incidence of rash is a more of an apprehension, what I got from. It has got somewhat similar efficacy with currently available treatment options.